guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I got this burgundy reddish color with violet roots. Very easy. So I'm gonna be using blonde hair, and I'm gonna be showing you how I just do the roots right now. The hair is from Luxury Tresses by Fab. I'm gonna be using Pravana Vivids in violet and the Adore Intense Red. Both are semi-permanent colors. Now the Adore, I'm going to use the whole bottle. And I'm just going to be using only like a drop of the Pravana. So that's the Intense Red Adore, and this is the Pravana Violet, which is only a drop. Boom, that's all I'm gonna be using because this is very thick and highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So I'm just only gonna be doing the roots around the front, so like the part that's going to be showing, because this is a wefted unit. Like I have a frontal in the front and wefts in the back. I'm not going to be doing like two ponytails or anything like that, so no need to be doing the roots all throughout the hair, just the part that is going to be showing. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no explanation. Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I've been bad, guess I've been bad. Maybe we can get away from here. Never go back, we'll never go back.
Okay, so I'm done with the roots, the violet roots. So now I'm going to get the Kiss Color Semi-Permanent Paprika color. One bottle of that in the Adore Intense Red, one bottle of that, and I'm going to mix it together. I have a lot of the Adore, so that's why I need to use these bottles. That is hot water in a water bottle, so I'm spraying the hair with that so that the water, not the water, but the color can go through the hair very easily, and it kind of saves some color. It goes through the hair really easy. So there you go, one bottle of Adore and one bottle of the Kiss, and mix it on up and put it on the hair. So make sure it's all through the hair, no spots, nothing like that. Looks very vibrant and just pretty.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us to.
So I'm just taking this coloring brush. It's like a brush that helps blend all the color into every single strand. Got it from Cosmoprof. Just helps the color, you know, like I said, go through every single strand. Very vibrant, very pretty. And I'm just gonna let it sit on the hair for about 2 hours. I did longer than that. I just really just left it in there, let it really sit and get into the strands. And then I shampooed and conditioned the hair. Now I'm going to work on the hairline a little bit, make it look a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna pluck the hairline.
Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I I've been bad, guess I've been bad. Maybe we can get away from here. Never go back, we'll never go back. From you, I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. From you, or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns.
Okay, so I'm done plucking the hairline and the parting a little bit. Now I'm going to use this razor comb I got from my local beauty supply store, using it to create a little bit of layers while it's straight, so that when I do wear the hair straight, it won't look all choppy. So yeah, I like to do it while it's straight, creating a little bit of layers. I love the color. I love the violet roots. It's just going into the red very well.
A refugee and outsider, but sometime you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. From you, or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't.
So I'm using a 1.5-inch curling iron. I believe that's the size. It's pretty big. I don't want really small curls. I just want some body curls. And I just love the way it curls. Now I did something really just silly because I see people on YouTube do it. So I thought I could try it. It was a fail. I used gasoline. I used Vaseline on the lace so that when I color the hair, it would not tint the lace, but it ended up making the hair really greasy. I washed this wig like 3 times and it's still a little greasy. But anyways, I'm going to cut that extra lace right there. I'm showing you right here. A lot of clients ask me, what do I do with that lace if it's covering my ears? You can cut that to fit your ear. So you just cut it like that, like I'm doing right now, so that it will not be all over my ear. So even after I used that Vaseline, it kind of didn't go into the root very well at the very root part, like at the very end. So I had to do that all over again, girl. So I'm not even going to do the Vaseline no more. I'm just going to use the Got2b like I usually use. And that really does well. So right here, I'm just using the Got2b spray and a pressing comb to get all of the flyaways away. Lay it down, and I'm going to use the Got2b spray on just a little bit above my hairline so I can put on my unit. And this is Fenty Beauty 445 concealer. I'm putting on the lace because it's a transparent lace, so this helps it blend in with my skin tone very well.
Little dirty baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
So tied my hair down for about 5 minutes, took it off, blended it on out. With clients, I use bands so it can be glueless. With me, I just did this to show you guys on here. But that's it, and hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you like the video if you want more, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.